What's up guys, it's iCube here, and today I have a Pyraminx review. This Pyraminx is quite a clicky cube if you listen. But you can still move it past the clicks. Sometimes it's nice to just, do design. So you repeat it 3 times and it fills. Basically the way you do this is there's actually a set face. Well, I know that all cubes have a set face, but like this one, you can't just say, yep, those corners link up, so that means that that's it. You've got to get these 3 centerpieces. You see how they're all red? You've got to get those all red, and that means that's a red face, and it will automatically line up all the other ones. Then you need to place in the corner the edges, which are actually the same way as on a 3x3. So you line it up, you move it out the way, you bring it up, you move it back in, and you bring it down. You repeat that until you have one face solved. And then you line up these things so that you've got like a solid stick. So then what you want to do is do an algorithm. It's a super short algorithm, and that solves your cube. Well, triangle, pyramid, whatever you want to call it, Pyraminx. Yeah, so in this video I was thinking, I could probably try to get a new PB. So I'm gonna go, so let's just quickly give it a good scramble. 3, 2, 1, go. I usually make it in about 10 seconds, 12 seconds, no. My PB is 12 seconds, my average is about 30. I did that in 24 seconds. Do a nice scramble. Three, 2, 1, go. Okay, so lined up, place it in, go around, place it in. I've nearly solved one face. In my opinion, this is the easiest WCA event. I think that was like 20, no. That was 14 seconds. Nice. Not quite my PB. Okay, so I've given it a nice scramble. No, it hasn't. 2, 1, go. So that's the blue. No, it's not. That is. I need to restart. Okay, I'm going. I've got my timer. My timer is actually just the video time, so I'm looking at the video time by it does do a lot of lockups. Okay. That's all I've got for you today. So, yep, this is my channel, iCube. Bye!